Hello friends, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Why I always have a can of chickpeas at my home? Because it has a longer shelf life? Of course it has, but not for that reason. This is one thing which can be used in so many different ways. You can get a snack ready in a minute, you can make a curry out of it, you can mix with rice, and you have a nice pulao ready. It is actually a lifesaver for me. At the same time, it's quick, it's healthy. Today I am sharing a very simple snack recipe which requires no cooking at all, and you can use what you have available at home and according to your taste buds. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you do like this recipe, please give it a like. So let's start the recipe. For this recipe I have a can of chickpeas which I am going to give it a good rinse and put it in a bowl. For this recipe, we will use what we have available at home. So I have few apples at home. So I'm just going to peel and chop one apple. I have cucumber, onion. I have a mango. I have a ripe mango at home. So I'm just putting few cubes of mangoes. It tastes wonderful. Trust me, it tastes just wonderful. You can add boiled potato in it. There's so many different things you can add. You can add some other fruits like pear. Now we have everything chopped and ready to use. There is two more ingredients which is key to this recipe. That is tamarind chutney and coriander chutney. These two chutneys will add wonderful flavor to this recipe. Tamarind chutney you can easily find at any supermarket, and for coriander chutney, this is coriander, mint, ginger, garlic and green chili combined. If you would like to see the recipe of coriander chutney, how to make coriander chutney, please take a look at the Haryali Paneer recipe. You can also use mint sauce instead of coriander chutney. Mint sauce is easily available in supermarket. So now we have everything ready to use. So here I got our bowl of chickpeas, and into goes everything what we have chopped. Onion, cucumber, apple, mangoes, and then we are going to add chutneys. As I mentioned earlier, this is a very flexible recipe. You use what you have available at home and according to your taste buds. Boiled potatoes you should definitely use. This goes really well with the chickpeas. So now we have added everything. Let's go ahead and add our tamarind chutney. Tamarind chutney is a tangy sweet chutney. So you go ahead according to how tangy, how you want your chaat to be. I'm going to be pretty generous about it, so I'm adding 2.5 spoon of tamarind chutney, and same with the coriander chutney. This is a mixture of coriander and mint and we love it. So here it goes, around 2.5 spoon of coriander chutney along with some sea salt and chaat masala. Chaat masala is another wonderful thing to add when you are making chaat or any street food. And here it is, everything what we have is gone in the chickpeas. Just give it a good mix and it's ready to enjoy. Please taste salt at this point, and if you need it, add accordingly. Isn't it a wonderful recipe? And it can be easily made for a large party gatherings. I hope you like this easy yummy chaat recipe. Please do give it a try and share your comments with us. You can top it up with any savory you have, or I prefer to do it with save, and it is completely optional again. You have the crunchiness from apple and cucumber anyway, so you don't need the crunchiness from savory, but it adds additional flavor and it never goes wrong with the savory. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.